So this is what happened the first time I tried loading these e-bikes in the truck. Alright, so here's the problem. These folding e-bikes are supposed to make travel easier, but each one weighs about 70 pounds, and somehow I need to lift them into the truck bed every time we want to ride, which sounded simple until I actually tried doing it. So this video is me figuring out how to transport 2 folding e-bikes in the back of this truck without throwing out my back, or buying another piece of expensive gear I probably don't need. We purchased Lectric XP 750 long-range folding e-bikes. My wife's bike is the Raindrop Blue and mine is the Tempest Gray. We picked these because they fold, which in theory make them easier to transport. But even folded, they're still kind of big and, more importantly, heavy. Each bike weighs about 70 pounds with the battery installed, but I tend to remove the batteries before lifting them, mostly because I value my lower back. But even without the batteries, they're still not exactly light. My first idea was to use these 50-gallon rolling storage totes. The idea seems simple. Fold the bike, put it in the tote, roll the tote to the truck, and lift the tote into the truck bed, and avoid wrestling with a 70-pound e-bike. So for a moment, I thought I had solved it. Turns out the e-bike actually fits in the tote. So next I tried closing the tonneau cover, and that's where things fell apart. The tote is just a little too tall, so the cover won't close, which means that plan was over right away. So the next idea was the back seat. With the rear seats folded up, there's actually a lot of room back there. Plenty of room for the e-bikes, but there's 2 small problems. That space is already reserved, because when we travel with the RV, these 2 ride in the back seat. So unless the dogs volunteer to ride in the truck bed, the back seat is already taken. So next I tried putting the e-bikes directly in the truck bed. And the good news is they do fit. Once they're in place, there is actually plenty of room. But getting them in and out is where things get interesting. So next I tried putting the e-bikes directly in the truck bed. And the good news is they do fit. Once they're in place, there is actually plenty of room. But getting them in and out is where things get interesting. Even with the batteries removed, each e-bike is still heavy and awkward to lift. So loading them into the truck bed takes some effort, and unloading them is actually harder, because now you're lowering all that weight back down, which is where gravity starts working against you. This Ford truck also has the swing tailgate, which is great for reaching things in the bed. But when it comes to lifting something heavy, like an e-bike, it doesn't really help much. So right now, here's where things stand. The e-bikes fit in the truck bed, but the tote idea doesn't work with the bed cover, and the back seat is already reserved for the dogs. So I'm still working on the best long-term solution. A few things I'm considering next: trying smaller totes, looking into a loading ramp, or possibly some type of e-bike rack. So I'll probably test a few options and see what actually works. If you transport folding e-bikes in a pickup truck, I'd be curious what setup works for you, because right now I'm still experimenting. And as we keep getting ready for RV travel, I'll keep sharing what works and what doesn't. Thanks for watching.